Riding down this lonely highway on my iron steed. Wind whispers through my helmet, memories start to bleed. Fought a war in '83, a young man strong and sure. Now scars and tales are all I have, and the pain I'm forced to endure. Once fought for country honor, a flag that I saluted dawn. But bitter truths unravel like an early morning yawn. Politicians line their pockets while we subsist on prayers. Now the land I bled to save crumbles under greedy stares. Was it worth the fight I gave? The tears, the blood, the pain. This land of dreams now broken, soaked with hungry rain. A soldier's heart lies heavy in this land of lost and give. Sacrifice or folly, they call it in my name. Kids on these dirt roads begging for some coins or some bread, while suits and far-off officers plan deals to get ahead. A nation built on promises, now fractured, cold and grim. When did our sacred honor turn ghostly, pale and dim? Was it worth the fight I gave? The tears, the blood, the pain. This land of dreams now broken, soaked with hungry rain. A soldier's heart lies heavy in this land of lost and gains. Sacrifice or folly, they call it in my name. Beneath my wheels, thoughts tangled in despair. The flag I fought to protect is now a tattered tear. But in this heart I'll hold my ground, though times are surely tough. 'Cause in the end the love for home will always be enough. The love for home will always be enough.